What's up, scrappers, tool addicts, tool collectors? How are you? It's Saturday, and as promised, we're gonna get these Utica 50-8s cleaned up and get them restored to the best of my knowledge and how we can do it here. They're really not in bad shape. They need a good wire wheel, probably a little bit of the 1x30. Maybe we'll do a little paint on the inside. I don't know, or maybe we'll just keep them. You know what? Maybe I'll liquid blue it under here. But yeah, it's a little chilly today. It's not going to get more than past 40 degrees. Although my shop with the insulation on all three walls, 1, 2, 3, just going up not to the ceiling, it's pretty warm in here. At least 10 degrees warmer than my old shop. That was cold. You guys check out my videos of when I made this keychain holder for the Scout Crafter key holder challenge. I was out there with my little MIG welder welding and everything. Boy, you could see my whole breath just poof all over the place. But yeah, so we're going to get this started. We're going to get you over to the wire wheel and get this bad boy rolling. All right, y'all, let's get it started. Always proper PPE. I don't like to wear gloves with a grinding wheel or with a bench grinder wheel because I'm afraid they're going to get snatched up on my fingers. And at least if I hit my finger, I'm going to be smart enough to pull it back and say, ouch, that hurts. So, but the gloves will pull your hand in. And I learned that the hard way off camera one day. So hold on your ears. You guys know the drill. If you're familiar with this video, this thing's got a lot of, oomph, so to speak. So here's our what we're looking at. They're coming out really nice. I'm gonna shut the camera off and I'll show you what it looks like after post wire wheel. All right, y'all. So here's the post wire wheel. I think it came out pretty good. Like, these are nice. Like, just the video's over. No, I mean they're really in good shape. So I got lucky on that. Like, I don't see any. Like, the only problem I see is you can see like a little bit of light through the teeth. But you know what? There's literally no light coming through. Sorry, there's literally no light. So you can see the teeth. See my little blue in my hat? But there's no light coming through the snip part. So I like that a lot. There's no dings on the blade. We're gonna get out the die grinder and we're gonna get inside here real quick. So sit tight. Man, I hope these come out good. These are really nice. Like if you could hold these in your hand, they're just, it's awesome. All right, so we hooked up the die grinder. I got a small cut brush on here. Then we'll move you guys around and see if we can get in here, clean it up a little better. Oh, looks like we got a visitor. Hold on. Hang on, let me get the door for you. What's going on, baby? Mrs. Ccscraps is here, you guys.
Look at this dang crazy cat. Hello.
Mrs. C, say hi to Mrs. Ccscraps, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, by the way, no girls allowed in the shop. Leave a comment below if there's no girls allowed in the shop.
Happy Veterans Day.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Ta! So what you got?
Project.
What's going on? Uh-oh.
This is like the most evilest thing ever because it cuts me all the time. Can you just take these off? I just need to get these rounded off and
What do you want me to cut these down?
Yes.
Like cut the handle off it.
Cut the whole handle
So
down.
it's just
and
flat.
then,
So it's just flat like that.
and file it afterwards.
And file it.
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
All right. It's freezing, guys.
All right. Say bye to Mrs. Ccscraps. See you later, Mrs. Ccscraps.
Get down from that window. Get down.
Cats are running amok inside the house. Okay. Here we go with the die grinder. Let's see if we can get this going here. Hold on, the plug's messed up. There we go. This wasn't getting good contact. I'm gonna keep this at a lower RPM because I learned the hard way that it gets weird, blows away. I know it's hard to see, guys, but I'm kind of like, we'll give you the one-hander. Getting inside those nippers, get the teeth a little better. You can go a little more on the RPM. You know what we're going to get to? We're going to get this inside part right here. If I can get at it. Just got to finagle each side, you know? Be like a surgeon for tools. Alright. I would say we got that pretty good. We get a little more RPM. It's not flying apart yet, so that's good. The teeth or the jaws. All right. All right, y'all, so we're just going to go right to the 120 flap disc. This thing's in pretty decent shape. I got it clamped down pretty good on the vise. Let's see what we can do here. All right, I'm going to get the rest of it sanded off, and we'll go from there. Get these nice, then we'll get in the inside. All right, so we're going to go with the 1x30 with a 120 sand disc, and we're going to hit these handles, or belt. Well, this 1x30 is giving me a static electricity shock that's like a zinger. That's weird. What's not crapping the bed on me? Alright, so we'll wrap this up here and we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm going to hit this with some 500 grit sandpaper all around. Just give it a little sheen here. Sometimes you got to hand sand. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm going to put y'all in the cradle and we're going to spin it around here and get you the, or get you onto the vise. Alright, so we're going to get the handles now. Alright, so I'm got this Perma Blue. We're going to liquid blue the insides here. And then we're going to get this handle. And I think it's going to come out pretty dang cool. There's still a little pitting in here, but if I would have went too far, and then, you know, like I like my dings and stuff, it would have just, you know, made it, I don't know, I think it would have took away from the character of this thing. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's see how it's going to work for us. I'm going to start with the inside. This stuff usually sometimes takes a couple coats. I'm going to get a paintbrush. There we go. I get these cheapy brushes like at Michael's. You get like a 30 pack for $10. There we go. That's a little better. It's kind of weird me rolling in Michael's, all the artsy fartsy people wandering around. Then they wonder, kind of look at me funny. You know, I'm there to buy the spray paint, paint brushes. So I guess this is kind of art, ain't it? Sort of. This stuff stinks, by the way. Like, the product doesn't stink, but the smell. It smells like a butt. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I love liquid blue. It's so cool, what it does. I mean, this also helps preserve the metal as well. At least on the inside, or whatever you cover with it. Sorry, you guys. All right, I got to shut the camera off. I got to get intricate. You see where I'm going? Let me do me do this here too to show you guys what we're trying to accomplish. All right. All right, so we're going to hit this on the fiber wheel now. We're about almost done here, y'all. Whoops. All right, let me show you the finished product here in a second. All right, so we're gonna hit this with the clear coat, and then we'll do the reveal once it dries. But I don't like spraying inside my shop because it stinks. And I don't have a filter system hooked up yet. Which I do have an old box fan, and I may do one in the window. All right. It's hypnotizing. Stare into the pliers. You will all send me new tools. No, I'm just kidding. Oh. All right, y'all. So we're finished with the Uticas. Got the clear on there and everything. So this is how they came out. Remember how they looked, right? Get the sheen on there. Look at the handle, the way it left that little bit of pitting or whatever, but let's turn them over for you. There's the inside of the liquid blue. That came out really sharp, I thought. Then here's the inside of it. Let's turn the light on. There we go. Pretty cool, right? Did the teeth. But that's it right there, you guys. Hope you liked them. I got to get those hand grips that I see you using, John. I can't remember what they're called, but they're red and you dip them in water. I think it's a Channel Lock makes them. But that would make these look really sharp. But I just left it clear coat. Look at that cool little ding that we all love, or at least I love. A little bit of pitting. I didn't want to take the pitting too far because then I would have lost the Utica. But all right, I hope y'all like this video. Let me know in the comments. Yeah. Utica 50-8, working restoration, Ccscraps. Y'all have a great weekend. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.